welcome back to TV Premier Services YouTube channel. My name is Miranda and today I'm going to show you 4 easy rice cake recipes. We'll be using 2 plain and 2 chocolate. Now that they have all these options of flavors, I just like chocolate just because it satisfies my craving for late night sweets. So I'm going to get started with the sweet one first. So here we have a chocolate rice cake. I'm going to add some peanut butter to it because I love peanut butter. Next, I'm going to add some blueberries. It's like 7, 8, 9, 10. To kind of fill it up. Last but not least, I'm going to add some honey to it. This is some raw honey. I just like to add a drizzle for extra sweetness. Like I said, you could use this on a plain rice cake. That's where I started it all. And there we have our sweet rice cake. For the next rice cake, I'm going to use a plain one. I'm going to add some hummus and a little bit of pepper on there. Cut off some of the yellow pepper. I just like to chop them up in little pieces like this. And I just place them throughout the rice cake. And here we have a hummus one. The next one I'm going to use chocolate again. Like I said, you can use plain rice cakes for all these recipes. They come out just as good. I'm just going to add peanut butter again to the chocolate rice cake. It's going to be a little similar to the last one. So instead of blueberries, I'm just going to use grape jelly. I'm just going to take a little kind of cube of it, plop it right on top, and then spread it evenly. And personally, I like to add a little cinnamon on top. A little sprinkle. And then here we have PBJ chocolate cinnamon rice cake. For the final plain rice cake recipe, I'm going to use avocado.
Just take a little bit out of it.
I just like to kind of chop it up in little cubes. Some people mush it in. But I like to get a full bite of avocado when I bite into the rice cake. And then you could just add some of the everything bagel seasoning, or you could do lemon pepper if you don't have it. So we're just going to sprinkle a little on top. And then here we have our avocado rice cake. So here we have both the sweet and savory. They're a good snack, either midday, before bed, whatever you feel like. So thank you all for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.